Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that caboose that I assembled out of parts. As you can see, it's on the rail. I folded down the tabs that will hold the body to the chassis. So, let's see how this runs. So as you see, a new piece of rolling stock made out of parts. Nothing fancy, but it's a piece of rolling stock. Has a coupler on both ends, and it's a usable caboose. So, as I always stress, don't overlook the junk. You know, when I pick up a box of parts, I eventually go through them, and it's amazing the stuff you can build out of stuff you can find in a junk box or parts box. Don't even know what this shell was off of it. It wasn't made for that chassis, but it fits it. And the best part, of course, is it was free. So it's got a coupler on either end, so I can use it for rolling stock. So, a new car made out of parts. So just a quick follow-up. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.